So here I am back in ArduBlock to show you how to play with your buzzer. So I'm going to start with the loop do, as always. Now in pins, there's a pin called tone. And you can see, much like the set digital pin, I need to assign the correct pin for this to work. Now this second number here refers to the frequency of the buzzer. Now frequencies relate back to musical notes. In fact, we include a table that correlates the two, which I'll go ahead and show you guys right here. Now this doesn't help me a whole lot because I'm tone deaf, but it's useful for the students if they want to do something like create one of their favorite songs, or maybe just something nice and simple, something like hot cross buns. We have a sample code of Mary Had a Little Lamb. So what I can do is I can say, play one note for a second, and then play another note for a second. And then we also have this pin, the no tone pin, so this will stop that buzzer from making noise when you're done. Now let's see what I've had it do here. Okay, so it looks like it's going to play the A note. It's going to play A for a second, and then it plays C for a second, and then it just stops altogether. Or it doesn't stop. It stops. Made a mistake here. Stops for a second, and then it starts all over again. Now, keep in mind that you don't have to specifically have a program that only does things with the LED and one that only does things with the buzzer. You can mix and match. You can have a program that does everything, that blinks your LED and plays a song, albeit maybe not necessarily at the same time.
Now I'd like to once again leave you with a little bit of sample code showing you how the buzzer works. So this piece of code looks a little complicated, but this is actually available in our curriculum. This is the Mary Had a Little Lamb code. So when I upload this, it should be recognizable as Mary Had a Little Lamb. So let's give it a shot. I'm just going to say no to that again. All right. It's taking its time on this one. All right, so I've just uploaded the code. I think I'm going to put the mic up to the speaker so you can hear it a little better. All right, I think you guys get the idea. So it's not an obnoxious volume, but you can imagine maybe 20 kids having this going at once. It might get a little overwhelming. So something you can do is just swap those two resistors, have the 470 ohm over here and the 4.7K over there, and that will bring the volume down of that. Of course, that creates the problem with the LED being a little bit brighter as well. So keep that in mind.